Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. This morning we have a really tall, pretty big tree that has fallen across our driveway, and the root ball is up on top of the hill, up on top of the bank, and we're kind of worried about how to cut this. We need to get it out of the way, but it's going to be a challenge, so y'all stay with us.
So we have got another tree down this morning. I think this is number 5 in 2 weeks that has been down and blocking the road. So we've got to get up and down the road today, so we're gonna have to see what we can do to get this down. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because it's up here on the bank. It looks like it just has uprooted the tree. So we will have to see what we can do. It's across the road, top of it's in the creek, but Jason's coming on the tractor, so we'll get busy.
So this tree just got uprooted in last night's storms, and its root ball is just hanging in there because it's attached to the tree that's resting on the other side of the bank. So the first order of business is going to be to cut this lowest limb that's hanging down. That way I think we can get a car under it. We need to get Sarah's mom and her car down the road so she can run her errands today.
Like it is a poplar tree.
Sometimes climbing straight up a hill with a chainsaw in one hand can be a challenge. This is where it kind of gets interesting. There's actually a yellow jacket's nest in the ground right in front of me right here that I don't see or even know about until I get right past it. Right about here is where I woke him up and got him really mad.
Did you get stung by the yellow jacket?
I think I got stung once. I think it's right in there.
I think it is too, because they're all kind of swarming around that. Better grab your saw before.
I climbed up here thinking I would cut the tree off from the root ball, but I'm having trouble even getting close to the tree. So now that I'm up here, I don't think I can cut it right here in front of the root ball. The root ball is like more than 90 degrees angled over the bank, and I'm standing on the root ball, really. I'm standing on the root. I think if I cut it, the root ball and all is going to go tumbling and me along with it. So I think we got to come up with a different plan than trying to cut it here. I think we're going to have to start down there.
Now you got to figure out how to get off the bank, because I don't think you can come back through where the yellow jacket's nest is.
I don't want to, but I may. Ow! It just got me then. A yellow jacket. Now it's time to stop messing around and just get this done. Big rock?
Yep. Glad you weren't riding it down the mountain.
Me too.
So we got that first cut made. It's a good thing Jason wasn't up there, because these rocks came tumbling down with it. Pretty good sized rocks.
So here I just cut the rest of the tree off and leave its own little kickstand there to hold it up in the ditch and on the bank so the root ball doesn't roll off the hill and into the road. So when we cut that, a couple of big rocks came flying down the hill and onto the driveway. This is the biggest one, so I've got to try to move it. But I'll tell you, when that yellow jacket got me in the back of the leg, it is still hurt. I can feel it. It's swollen and it hurts. And that was 10 minutes ago at least. But anyway, I think we have it so the road's passable. But I'll get this rock out of the way and we'll kind of finish up.
That might have been a broken ankle if you had been standing up there.
Bad news if it hit me. If you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mouth.